everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So let's get start this video. And I would like to start this video with one quotation. Quotation is like that: every failures bring with the seeds of unequivalent success. हर असफलता अपने साथ एक समान सफलता का बीज लेकर आती है. हर एक असफलता अपने साथ एक समान सफलता का बीज लेकर आती है. सो इन टुडेज वीडियो आई विल टॉक अबाउट मिस्टेक, द मिस्टेक वी डू वाइल लर्निंग. सो सी, दिस कोटेशन इज टेलिंग अस हर एक असफलता अपने साथ एक सफलता का बीज लेकर आती है. सो सिमिलरली, every mistake give us lesson. Every mistakes give us lesson. We get some lesson from mistake. So mistake are not bad for us if we are doing. Okay? Because we always think, oh, I'm making mistake, I should not make mistake, why I'm making mistake. So tell me, if you know anything very well, so do you mistake in that things? You don't. But the thing you don't know, it's obvious you will make mistake. And this language is new for you. You don't know this language, but you are going to learn. So it's obvious that you will make mistake, lots of mistake. So instead of thinking that I'm making mistake, you should think every mistake give lesson, and I have to learn that lesson. If I learn that lesson, then I will go ahead in my life. If I go ahead in my life, then I will be successful in my life. So mistakes are not bad. Okay? And you know, if you don't make mistake, you can't learn anything. You can't learn anything. So be ready for make mistake. Because when you will make mistake, then you will learn something. You will learn a lesson. When you learn a lesson, you will be go ahead in your life. When you will go ahead in your life, when you will be successful in your life. So these mistakes, failures are good for you. Embrace it. Embrace it and learn from it. Okay? And I'm not saying here that do mistake and don't pay it. Like which kinds of mistake you don't have to repeat. The mistake you have already done, and you got one lesson from that mistake. So you don't have to repeat that mistake again. If you are doing that mistake again, so in this way, you know like that mistake won't let you get ahead in your life. That mistake always pull your leg in backside. So you are free, feel free to make mistake, but same mistake don't repeat again and again. It's not good for you. Then your growth will stop when you will start repeating the same mistake. But for new mistake, be always ready for that new mistake. Okay? And like what happens sometimes, we do hard work and we speculate our success. I will get success, this success, I will do this one, that one. We think like that, we imagine. And suppose instead of getting that success, you were imagining and visualizing, you didn't like you won't get. So what you have to do? You don't have to react in a negative way, because in your hand, you take any mistake and failure in a wrong, in negative way, in positive way, totally in your hand. So don't try to take in negative way, try to take it positive way. How? The success you were speculating but you didn't get, so you have to think over there, okay, I wanted to be successful but I didn't get that success, that win I didn't get, I got failure. It means God, he wants to make me a big successful person, and not a little successful person. आपको वहाँ पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग करना है कि मैं तो सक्सेसफुल होना चाहता था, मैं ये इसको जीतना चाहता था लेकिन मैं तो नहीं जीत पाया। शायद भगवान मुझे इससे भी बड़ा सक्सेसफुल पर्सन बनाना चाहते हैं, तभी वो मुझे ये फेल्योर दिए हैं। सो in this way you have to think in positive way. Your mistake, your failure, you have to take in positive way. Then your failure and your mistake will become power for you, and then you will be always determined to be and stand on your goal. So you have to think that if I don't make mistakes, so I can't learn anything. If I want to learn something, I will make mistake, and I should ready for that always. Okay, don't think that no, I don't want to make mistake. No, I will make mistake, I'm going to learn new thing. It's obvious I will make mistake and I'm ready for that. Whatever mistake I will do, I'm ready for that. I will take lesson, I will learn lesson, and I will get ahead in my life. I won't cry and lose my hope. Why I'm getting a failure, why I'm making mistake. You have to make your failure and mistake in you have to convert in power. Okay, so in this way you will in this way your failures and mistake will become powerful for you. And lots of the mistake we do just because of our fears. So maybe if you think like that, so you won't make mistake that much, the way we do, being a fear. Before getting something, before doing something, we get scared and we think that, oh, I don't want to make mistake. And some mistake we do just because of fear. So if you think like that, if you keep such mindset, so you maybe you don't do that much mistake. You maybe you will do a little mistake. So the mistake you have already done, don't repeat that mistake again and again. But when you are going to learn any new thing, so be ready for failure and for mistake, and embrace those failures, mistake, and learn and get ahead in your life. Make your failures and mistake power, not we weak. Not make your weak point, make your a strong point. And change your thinking. Take it in positive way, not in negative way. So then these mistake won't bother you a lot. So in this way you can get rid of this problem. Why I'm making mistake, I should not making mistake, I'm only making mistake. In this way you can get rid of such mentality and such thinking, why I'm doing making mistake. If you think like that, okay, and don't worry about that he or she got success in early, why I'm not getting. Think in that position that okay, he or she got very early, I'm not getting early. Maybe I will achieve big success. Do you know everyone knows like Alva Edison, he got 10,000 followers. and now then he got success. So he is known all over the country. सो जितना बड़ा आपका जो है स्ट्रगल रहेगा उतना ही बड़ा आपका सक्सेस भी होगा। तो आप अपने रास्ते में जो स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, फेल्यूर्स आपको मिल रहा है, उससे घबराइए मत। सोचिए कि इतना सारा मुझे फेल्यूर्स मिल रहा है तो पक्का मेरा जो सक्सेस होने वाला है ना वो बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है, बहुत ही बड़ा होने वाला है। और भगवान मुझे ये छोटी सक्सेस के लिए नहीं बनाए हैं, बहुत बड़ी सक्सेस के लिए बनाए हैं। तभी वो मुझे जो है बार बार फेल्यूर दे रहे हैं। तो अपने थिंकिंग को चेंज करिए, इसे पॉजिटिव में लीजिए और आगे बढ़ते रहिए। तब ये आपको हार्म नहीं करेगा, आपको बॉदर नहीं करेगा। Isn't it? So I hope this video will help you to change your mentality, to think on your failures and mistake, and in this way you can embrace and your mistake, failures, and you will try to learn, and you know always you will be always ready to make mistake and for accept your failure and learn and get ahead in your life. So I hope you like this video. If you like, then like, subscribe and share. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.